Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you will be fine and fit. Today's we will learn Quran Majid and Hadith Nabawi sallallahu alaihi wasallam about learning Quran is the best among you is he who learns the Quran himself and teaches it to others. तुम में सबसे बेहतर वो है जो खुद कुरान सीखे और दूसरों को सिखाए. That's why, dear students, in this video we will learn Norani Qaida and we will learn the Arabic alphabets. Let's go. Get ready, students. Best of luck. Let's learn Quran. Start a new journey, students. Dear students, the first letter of Arabic alphabet is Alif. You can see the spelling of Alif, A-L-I-F, Alif. The first letter of Arabic alphabet is Alif. Dear students, there are 29 letters in Arabic alphabet, and sometimes we call that there are 28 letters, but the difference is that the last two letters, yeah, because they sound similar, that's why we call that there are 28 letter in Arabic alphabet. But our concern is the first letter of Arabic alphabet is Alif, because we starts from beginning. The first letter of Arabic is Alif. Alif, Alif. Let's repeat the letter Alif 5 times. Dear students, you have to repeat the letter Alif after me. Alif, 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 Alif. Words begin with Alif. There are two pictures. One is Asad and second is Ananas. Dear students, Asad means lion in English language and Asad means share in Urdu language. Similarly, Ananas called pineapple in English language and ananas is called also ananas in Urdu language, and ananas and Asad both start with Alif. So there are two pictures, there are two things, one is Asad and second is ananas. Asad means share, lion, ananas means pineapple, ananas. So dear students, you can see that Asad and ananas both begin with Alif. So there are two examples, those words begin with Alif. Here is again, students, let's play find and read Alif. Dear students, you have 2 minutes for this activity. So there are 3 letters of Arabic alphabet. Dear students, you have to find the letter Alif from among of them. So I keep quiet for 2 minutes and you have to read, you have to find and read the letter Alif. So 1, 2, 3. Let's start here. Okay, dear students, I tell you that option number 3 is Alif. I hope you find it that the on 3 number there is the letter Alif. Now students, for your difficult round writing, you have to write Alif 5 times. First write Alif with your finger, then lead pencils. Okay, Dear students, you have 1 minute for this activity. You have to write alif 5 times. Dear students, actually alif starts from top to bottom and it looks like a straight line. I have to write alif 1 time for you. Look at this. Alif starts from top to bottom and it looks like a straight line. So dear students, now speaking time 2 minutes. For this activity you have 2 minutes. Dear students, you have to speak alif loudly so that you could listen your own voice. Dear students, आप लोगों ने अलिफ को रिपीट करना है, बार बार ऊंची आवाज़ में दोहराना है ताकि आपके बोलने की आवाज़ आपके कानों में भी पड़े और आपको इसको अच्छी तरह से प्रोनाउंस करना आ जाए. ओके. Now here is a scoreboard for you. Write your total score of each category: reading, writing and speaking. For each category there are 5 numbers: reading 5 numbers, writing 5 numbers and speaking 5 numbers. Basically students, reading, writing and speaking are our basic learning skills to learn any language. So you have to decide your score for reading, writing and speaking. If you have done, then congratulations, you can do it easily. Hope so dear students, you will like this video and it will be helpful for all of you. Thanks for visiting. Please like, comment, share and subscribe @Educated Pakistan 191. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.